What's up guys, this is Chimeze with ThoughtStack and welcome back to the What is New in Laravel 5.7 series. In the last video, we looked at the email verification feature. If you missed it, I'll drop a link in the video description section so you can go check it out. Today we'll be looking at another feature of Laravel 5.7, which is Symfony dump server. Yeah, you heard right. The Symfony dump server has been made available in Laravel through a community contributed package called Laravel dump server, which is now included in Laravel 5.7 as a dev dependency. This package was created by Marcel Posiot. So instead of doing something like dump my dump and messing up with your UI, you can now dump data to the console in a nicely formatted way. So let's see how the dump server works. First, we need to start the dump server, which we can do using a new artisan command. Dump-server. The dump server has been started and it is listening for any data to be dumped. So if you give this a refresh, we won't see any data being dumped. This is because the dump server has caught the data and dumped it to the console, as you can see. We can also dump an array or object. Take for instance, I want to dump a user object. Refresh this. As you can see, the user object has been dumped and it is well formatted. Of course, this will also work with die and dump. Again, we get the user object being dumped. So that's it guys. See you in the next video, where we'll look at another features of Laravel 5.7. As always, remember to hit the subscribe button to be notified once the new videos are up. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments below the video.